Hey everybody! Today I'm gonna show you a quick test of these steel bluing solutions from Brownells and Birchwood Casey, and we'll also test the aluminum black on aluminum surfaces. And for anyone who doesn't know, bluing is the process of oxidizing the surface of the metal, resulting in a black appearance of the finish, that also protects the metal from further corrosion. There's a whole bunch of tips and tricks on how to achieve the best results with cold bluing solutions. But what I'm gonna do is just apply 3 coats of each solution over the metal surface using these applicators, and I'm also gonna use superfine steel wool to polish the finish between coats. I'll put links to all these products in the description below. So let's get started. Safety first. Alright, so as you can see in my case, the metal surface is very smooth and well finished. There's no rust or any previous finish. So all we need to do is clean the surface with rubbing alcohol or acetone. I'm just gonna use the alcohol-based wet ones. Okay, now we can start applying the bluing solutions, and I'm gonna start with the Super Blue. It works like magic. Very fast chemical reaction and nice even consistent finish. Next we have liquid Oxpho-Blue. I think it's a bit slower, but does what it has to do. Now let's try Oxpho-Blue Crème formula. I'm not a big fan of this one, but it does an amazing job. And finally we have 4440 formula. It works impressively fast, and you get a nice matte black uniform finish. If you're bluing a big area, then you may need to use steel wool to polish the surface. For touch-ups, there is no need to do that. Now let's apply the second coating. You can continue applying and buffing coats until you reach the desired color. And this is how the steel plate looks after the second application. Let's go ahead and apply the final layer. I don't want to polish the last layer, so what I'll do instead is clean off the excess of bluing solution and then cover these coats with oil and gently rub it into the metal. It's very important because otherwise the metal will rust like crazy. Here's the final result, and you can already see the difference in color and consistency of the finish. For some reason Brownells 4440 didn't work for me. You can see how easily the coating comes off when I just wipe it with oil dampened cloth. I think that the Super Blue and Oxpho-Blue Crème gave us the best result. The liquid Oxpho-Blue is not bad either. But anyway, in my opinion, the Super Blue provides the best result. And last but not least, let's try the aluminum black on this aluminum surface. So first we need to brighten the metal with fine steel wool to remove any surface oxide, like so. And then clean and degrease the surface. Let it dry, and then you can go ahead and apply the aluminum black solution. And here's the result after just one application. Nice matte black coating. It kind of looks like anodized aluminum. So you can touch up some scratches on anodized aluminum surfaces. And as you can see, it darkened it up. You can also use any of these steel bluing solutions to touch up small scratches or wear areas on steel surfaces. Simply clean the surface and just touch it up like that. You can go over the area that is starting to lose or has lost its finish and blacken it up. These solutions don't work on stainless steel, so first check it with a magnet. So I hope you learned something new, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments.